Hi friends, I'm Kirak. You're watching Technique and today we're going to see how to insert a blank page on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a blank page on your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. So here I have a two page which filled with shapes. So you can just, this is for an example, you can have the document of text. So you just need to have a blank page. You just don't realize no option to insert a blank page. Instead of that, you have to make the enter. You just click on the enter again and again. You can have the blank page. Otherwise, you just need to click on the page break. Just click on the insert option on the top. Now click on the page break. It automatically you can find a blank page. You can see now there is only a 3 pages and the center page I have been created as a blank page. This is how you just create the blank page. It's simple trick. You just can use your insert break instead of clicking the enter and enter, because the full file format of the text that will be jumps to the next page. So this is how you just insert a blank pages on your document in your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechNet. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.